Google Sniper is an affiliate marketing course developed by George Brown, and it is based on teaching you how to build sniper sites that will rank highly with Google. This marketing course is an exact blueprint of the system that George had used himself to become a successful internet marketer. This is a great starter package for beginners as well as advanced marketers that are interested in building multiple blogs, sites to earn an additional or full-time income. Who is the creator of Google Sniper? George Brown made well over $500,000 in 2010 with the launch of Google Sniper without any cost or traffic generation. He was only 17 years old when he made a success online and started GS. He also enabled 50 individuals to quit their jobs and earn a full-time income online through his system when it was released. Because of his massive success and obviously the success of others, Google Sniper went viral very quickly and became one of ClickBank's favorite products among affiliates. How does Google Sniper work? GS will teach you 3 basic principles: how to research profitable niches, how to find good keyword sets for your niches, how to find a good product that goes along with your niches. GS is a 3-step process that needs to be followed in the exact steps provided. Pick the ClickBank products that you want to promote. Create your Sniper website along with the best keywords to use. Watch for traffic and tweak your websites for maximum leverage. To sum it up, the objective of using Google Sniper would be on how to create sniper sites with WordPress along with a set of plugins to help you get to the top of Google's search results. The major key to GS and the reason for its success would be on how easy it is to find profitable keywords and get them ranked on Google by building mini web pages. The methods involve targeting specific keywords by using exact match domains, and then obviously these domains become an authority for the keyword or niche and rank well on Google. Product overview. There are 4 main elements to expect: webinars, downloadable ebooks and PDFs, video training and external resource links. Getting started. In this section you will find the introduction from George Brown and learn how to navigate through the area. The Google Sniper course will be the main course. This is where you will learn how to build niche websites and outsource certain tasks. This will be done via video training and user manuals in the form of ebooks. The Sniper X training is the part where you will get to ask questions and get answers via the live questions and answers webinars that are made by George himself. All webinars are recorded for later use as well. The Sniper Cache Machine is a new section that was added to G Sniper 3.0. This was designed for all the newcomers, to make it easier for them to enter into marketing. This will give members insight on the value of low-budget starter campaigns. This is basically extra training on the 4 additional marketing strategies, to help you promote your brand and/or affiliate products. Cons. It is not as easy as promised. You will still need to have some advanced marketing skills to promote your products in the right manner. Sales pages are losing popularity, and even with all the traffic in the world, you will still need to monetize. GS does provide support, but it is very basic support. No communities of any sort, just the support ticket submissions. Also, support tickets are limited. You can only submit a ticket once you have finished all training. Pros. The Google Sniper training is easy to follow with step-by-step training. The platform is somewhat easy to navigate. There is a 60-day refund period for those who decide this product is not for them. The third version of G Sniper has a bit more of a selection of informative videos. There are users that have been able to establish a passive income using G Sniper. Google Sniper has free trial then future payment option of $47 per month. From my point of view, G-Sniper is worth buying as it costs the same as membership sites with daily updates. Not a scam, but I will only recommend it for those who want to learn how to create niche websites. Hope this review was helpful. If you want to get access the program, you find the link in the description below.